My name is Parra Joseph. I am studying 6th class in ZPHS Boys, Kottapalli of U Kottapalli Mandal.
Hi friends, my name is Johnson. I am studying 6th class. Now we are going to tell singular words and plural words.
Singular,
Plural.
tiger,
Tigers,
giraffe,
giraffes,
elephant,
elephants,
bear,
bears,
parrot,
parrots,
rooster,
roosters,
monkey,
monkeys,
fan,
fans,
television,
televisions,
bag,
bags,
book,
books,
pen,
pens,
pencil,
pencils,
tiger,
tigers,
bear,
bears,
parrot,
parrots,
crow,
crows,
sparrow,
sparrows,
elephant,
elephants,
monkey,
monkeys,
peacock,
peacocks,
rooster,
roosters,
giraffe,
giraffes,
book,
books,
pencil,
pencils,
pen.
pens. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.
Please like, share and subscribe. Please like, share and subscribe.